In an ever-faster online world, with the expansion of growing demand for bandwidth, may it be from businesses, home entertainment, teleworking, data centers, or to support the 4G and 5G, the push to deploy full fiber network is accelerating, bringing competition in the telecommunication sector to new heights. And with multiple players using the same network to connect customers, it's hard to follow what's happening in the field. Every day, telecom technicians have to achieve several operations to connect customers to the optical fiber network. Once the intervention starts, the technician takes a picture with his standard smartphone or tablet. The pictures are analyzed in real time by image recognition algorithms locally or on the cloud. The app flags potential anomalies instantly to successful task completion. By giving superpower to your field technician, Deepomatic visual automation technology improves your first-time write rate and helps you avoid costly unplanned rework. Operation after operation, images and data collected are transformed into precious knowledge on the Deepomatic platform and in your information systems. It gives you real-time visibility of your network as well as a comprehensive record of its evolution. With the most up-to-date and accurate understanding of your network, from street cabinets to home equipments, you can identify and troubleshoot issues in real time without wasting time. It's not just about a picture of your network. It's also about giving you the power to proactively manage your data to meet future fiber demand. By building quality into your infrastructure, Deepomatic helps you win over more customers, accelerate overall take-up of subscriptions, and keep your network assets healthy.